It is 5:05 mirror hours. I am to travel today. I'm going to a mountain like an hour away. There's a very famous Buddha, like a statue. So since I'm gonna go there super late, that's why I booked like a hotel. I'm gonna stay the night. Morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Hi. See you guys later in the train, probably. Camila just stressed me out.
So sorry. It was not my intention. The guy didn't want to let me in.
He's telling her she doesn't have a ticket. I'm like, is he mad? I was yelling at him. And then he went like, okay, whatever. I'm gonna let her in, but if she can't go to the train, it's your problem. I'm like, bet, let her in, you know? Anyway. And now she's here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived.是新的护照，所以没有。
没有盖章是吗？
没有那个护照，是这个。你看一下。
问一下派出所那边。
When I called, she said like, if you don't have a asterisk on your travel history, you're fine. You can come. You don't even need like the test. But also, I told you just let's do it. If they ask, we have it. But she doesn't keep my passport. Yeah, I also do feel like that, but I don't want to complain because at this point, like I shouldn't even be saying that. But I'm like, at least they welcoming us here, because you know how many hotels will be like we don't get foreigners.
Yeah.
And either way, it's not okay. But you know what? We're not in our countries. Like we just deal with it like this, you know. 这里能不能点菜？
点外卖吗？
可
以。你们的中文还是可以哟。
谢谢。来这里也是签个字啊。
对。
好。谢谢。空调打不打开？啊，开。啊，谢谢啊。Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 23:52.
11:52. So yeah, and we want to wake up early to go do like what we came for. I'm trying to think like maybe like not wake up to this early because you know what, my brain can't function. I can't even speak right now. I see you guys tomorrow. Not bad. Re-morning, re-afternoon, re-evening. Wherever you are, hi. It is 9:01 and we got up around what, 7. I'm gonna give you guys a room tour before we leave because we have to check out like before 12, but since we're leaving now and we're not gonna come back, so we just, you know. So opposite here you have the door. You have a little like nice thingy. You have the TV here. You have this basket, the room card, you know, it's like a bracelet. So opposite the TV we have the bed. From here we can have access to the hold on. So what I like with this bathroom is that, hold on, can I turn this on? Well, yeah, the lights are not really bright here, but yeah, what I like about it is the rocks. You can see like the rocks inside the bathroom. It reminds you of nature, right? You have the wood outside, this tap. It looks like it's made of bamboo. Leshan 大佛。Here we can see the head. We've been walking and I'm really not fit right now. But now I'm just wondering how can we see the full Buddha, because I want you guys to see it. And I also want to see it because I've seen it only on pictures. I know like there's normally like a sort of boat tour following the rules. I'm gonna put my mask back on and we shall continue. Didn't you have to go super down for the feet? Oh, no. Where did you learn your English?
Actually, I learned English in China.
Really?
Yeah, many people think that I went abroad.
Yeah.
I travel abroad, but
Uh-huh.
I just study English
In
here.
here. Wow, this is pretty impressive.
Thank you. Your Chinese is impressed.
Oh, thank you. There is no sun. I don't even know if you can see the sweat on me, like. Really like this one. It's so beautiful. Look. We're still looking for the boat. Guys, we are on our way to the boat. So we are off now. We're gonna see the Buddha, so I'm excited for that. It's really hot, but hey, we're having a good day. So the Buddha is over there. Guys, we saw the Buddha. The entire statue is really nice. I can go home. My friend Joe.
Hey, my name is Joe.
Recommended me a dish. It's a dish that they eat here. And then there's also like a certain juice called Leshan. I don't know the tones, but I'm gonna be looking for it. I think is it this one? Okay, so this is, I believe this is a drink. I don't really like sodas. I don't drink sodas. It's not bad. It is sparkly, it's sweet. I guess it tastes a little bit like lychee. Yeah, but it's not too sweet either. It's not like Fanta or like Coca-Cola, so I guess I can finish it. I can finish it. So thank you, Joe, for recommending that. Now we're gonna go try the food. Where are we going, by the way? Is this the exit?
I'm chilling. Where is the exit?
Brilliant.
我想吃，
我也想吃饭，吃多吃。
多吃。
嗯哼，我现在变胖了，所以要吃，吃死了。
吃死了。
开玩笑，开玩笑。特产是什么？
钵钵鸡，小脚牛的。
哎，那我们先试一下那个钵钵鸡。
啊，这嘛，我免费帮你抬到我那里去，你去看我自家的房子。
Do you wanna go?
啊，你去看一下嘛。好。
女大美女 ，Hello。Careful。
哎，你的中文还说得好。
啊，谢谢。
他不懂中文，还是
我听得懂，听得懂。Off we go. We took two different ones because I can eat spicy now, she cannot, and I wanted to try the spicy one. So we thought it was gonna be like hot pot or something, but it's not. It's not hot, it's just cold, and I guess people are just eating it like that. It's okay. And it's just spicy, salty, that's the taste of it. The food itself is bland, so the sauce gives it flavor. We're now off to the train station. A building called CBD. We're in the train right now. We're about to go back to Chengdu. It is 6 Okay guys, I'm not supposed to remove my mask, but real quick, I really enjoyed this trip. I'm glad that I was able to see the giant panda, the giant Buddha, sorry. The hotel, I have nothing else to say about it because I really liked it, very comfortable, it was really clean. I really enjoyed the food, it was really, well, strange. At first I was like, what is this? But yeah, the more I ate, the more I liked it. So would I try it again? Definitely. Something I really wanted to mention that I forgot is I am so happy that I can speak Chinese, because if I didn't, like, we wouldn't be doing this trip. It would have been really hard to just go around, figure out things, understand what we had to do, where we had to go. I'm just so happy to be able to speak Chinese at least a little bit, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I see you in my next video. Bye.